Alright, cool. Man's got a little strawberry there, innit? And what we're going to do, yeah, is extract the DNA from the strawberry, innit? So we're going to put it into a little bag and then squeeze it up nice and that, you know what I'm saying? We're going to break up the cell membrane, you done know. And then we need to add an extraction solution in it. So the washing up liquid is going to dissolve the cell membrane so that all of the DNA can be released. And then we add a little table salt in that so that the DNA will clump together, in it. Then we mix it with a little water, in it. Alright, cool. So now you can add the extraction solution to the strawberry thing and that, innit? And obviously you got to close the bag and then mix it up nice and that, you know what I'm saying, cuz? And after that, yeah, you got to get a boiling tube and a funnel and then a little filter paper and that. You got to fold it up nice and that, you know what I'm saying? Then after that, you got to filter off the thing, innit? Because obviously you don't want bare bits in that, you just want the juice in that. You know what I'm saying, cuz? You can see the thing bare dripping in that. Boom, now, yeah, we're going to add some isopropyl alcohol in it. Now, this is going to cause the DNA to actually precipitate out of the solution. You see all them little white strands in that? That's the DNA thing, in it. So, obviously, man's going to take it out in that and obviously put it on the table and you can see it properly, in it. You know what I'm saying? DNA settings and that with the strawberry and that. We out here, cuz. Now, you can do this with bananas as well, but it works best with strawberries, innit? And that's because strawberries are octoploid, which means that they've got 8 copies of each chromosome, whereas bananas have only got 3 copies. So, strawberries have got a bare DNA, fam. You done know. We're out here, fam.